What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be finally installing these tips, and we're going back to tailpipes with the car. So I'll show you guys exactly what we got. I got these tips a long time ago, man, from my old man right here. I'm not gonna get them out of the package or anything. So we're gonna be going back to the exhaust, and these are gonna fit great, man. I'll get you guys the measurements later. But yeah, it's basically what it's gonna look like with the tips sticking out the back like that. And like I said, yeah, these are the original tailpipes. So yeah, guys, we're already running a little bit late. So yeah, man, basically we're cutting out the SLPs and we're going straight to a straight pipe. And I think it won't be too loud because the car is already the car's on a small diameter pipe. I think it's only like 2.5 inch pipe. So yeah, I don't think it'll be too loud, and the exhaust will be coming out of the back. You guys know I had this car straight pipe before with long tube headers, H pipe, and dumps, and that thing was stupid loud, but it chopped really nice, and I like the way the cam sounded on it. So I'm really excited to have the tips back on it and to complete that look in the back and hear it chopping out the back. So I think it'll sound really good. Our boy John over at Vision Metalworks is doing it for us. So let's go over there and I'll show you guys exactly what we're doing. And I can't wait to hear this car, man, with the cams again. That's the whole reason why I did the cams, so I can hear them. And these SLP loudmouth 2s, they're pretty quiet. It's mostly like a boreless stinger. So yeah, let's get over there and I'll show you guys. I'm gonna do one startup real quick before here a little before that.
Great guy. That when his wife was Michelle on this red truck, she had to have it because she is such a fan of Christmas parade.
What's up, bro? How's it going? Oh, shit looks even better in person. So you're able to weld the hangers on the inside? Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, the last time the dude had to weld it on the pipe itself. Hell yeah, let's get her down and see what it sounds like. Nah, I pulled them off. I pulled them off.
You took them off?
Yeah.
Dude, it's gonna be loud as fuck, dude.
It was too quiet.
It's gonna be too loud. They're gonna pull your ass over.
Nah, that's not good. Go ahead, go start it. rev it in here. There's kids in here. To blow our air drum out. Sounds back. That's exactly what we're looking for. Yeah, this thing's rowdy now, boys. Definitely sounds race car. I haven't heard it from the back in a long time, so in the car it doesn't sound too loud. It feels weird not feeling it shake the whole car. And it does not sound loud inside the car at all, which I like. Yeah, and a lot of guys were telling me, including a lot of y'all, to do SLP loudmouth ones, because I had twos in the car. The ones, it sounded good. Everyone liked the exhaust, but what you guys don't understand, if y'all didn't have the SLP loudmouth ones, whenever you get them in the box, dude, they're hollow. They're just kind of like a trumpet because they're bigger. So it's just like a straight pipe, and that's pretty much what this is. Yeah, man, I mean, it sounds good. It sounds like a race car. It's not my everyday driver. I don't recommend this for a daily driver, but for a weekend car, it sounds good. It sounds really good. My pops is telling me I'm gonna get pulled over, but the chances of me getting pulled over for the little times I do drive it, it's worth it. It sounds exactly like the SLP loudmouth ones. It sounds exactly like it. It sounds exactly, exactly, dude. The SLP loudmouth 2s, it is a muffler. It has a baffle, and you guys heard how quiet it was. But yeah, I'm about to pull up to my barber's to get a cut, and then I'll pick the camera up. I'll do a pull. Hopefully we don't get arrested, but I'll pick you guys up in a little bit. Yeah, that thing's loud, boys. Well, boys, there you have it. The car is done. The tips are back on it, and it looks damn good. It sounds good. It definitely sounds like a race car again. This thing it's loud, but like I said, I definitely don't recommend this for someone that's daily driving their car. But I do recommend this if you have a nice set of cams and you really don't care how loud it is. A free-flowing open exhaust like this is like the best thing to have whenever you have cams, because it makes that chop just that much louder. And this little 2-valve, it rocks, man. It sounds like there's a war going on under the hood. So yeah, if you guys like this one, please drop a thumbs up down below, guys. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Did I make a mistake? Does it sound freaking awesome? Because I love it. Let me know what you guys think, man. Please drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. And we'll see you guys on the next one. It's your boy, 4.6Chris. We have a lot of content coming, guys, so stay tuned. See y'all later, man. Peace.
I am, girl, in my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that